Fish House Punch is a potent punch that has roots dating back to 18th century America. It was created at the Schuylkill Fishing Company in Philadelphia, which was also known as the Fish House, hence the name of the drink. This punch combines rum, cognac, and peach brandy with a refreshing mix of citrus and sugar. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ cups dark rum, preferably Jamaican rum for a richer flavor. 3/4 cup cognac, adds a smooth and rich depth. 1/2 cup peach brandy, adds a fruity sweetness. 1/2 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, provides a refreshing tartness. 3/4 cup simple syrup, made with equal parts sugar and water. 2 cups cold water, dilutes the punch slightly to mellow the flavors. Lemon slices, for garnish. Ice, to chill the punch. For equipment you will need large punch bowl, ladle, measuring cups, citrus juicer, mixing spoon, ice bucket, punch glasses or cups. Here are the instructions. In a large punch bowl, combine the dark rum, cognac, and peach brandy. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and simple syrup and stir until well blended. Pour in the cold water and mix to combine. Add a large block of ice or several large ice cubes to the punch bowl to chill the mixture. Stir again to ensure everything is well mixed and chilled. Garnish the punch with lemon slices. Serve in punch glasses or cups. The Fish House Punch was created in 1732 by the Schuylkill Fishing Company, the oldest social club in America. Legend has it, George Washington was quite fond of this punch, although on one occasion drank so much that he couldn't lie down or stand up.